See what's up guys, paano ba mag drawing ng gunting guys? Try natin mag drawing ng gunting. Yan. And then yan guys, gunting yan guys. Yan. And then pag ganyan, tapos ito ay yung may butas. Yan, dito nilalagay yung daliri natin. Yan, ganyan lang gunting.